What's this? A box of Pokemon cards that I've not opened yet? Whatever will we do? What's kicking y'all? Kwikpanik here, and I'm back in gear. Don't you have no fear. Today's episode is Porygon Z flavored. So I didn't even know this was a thing. So there's a Porygon Z GX box that has some Unified Minds packs in it, and we still have not pulled anything amazing from Unified Minds. So I figured we should open this. It also has a pack of Evolutions, which we got an amazing pull in last time we had some, and Lost Thunder, which there's still a bunch of cards in that set that I need to get as well. I feel like I didn't open enough of these packs. So let's go ahead and let's crack it open. It's got another one of those massive cards that I definitely need more of. I have like 14 of these massive cards. Like I'm going to put them in a deck, put them on my wall. What do you do with those? Comment section. Tell me, what do you do with all the goofy stuff you get in these boxes? My goodness. Okay. And this, gone. Ha ha ha. Have no fear, citizens. I am here. No? My Hero Academia? Oh, 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 oh. That comes out in like 3 weeks or something? New season? Oh, I almost tossed this. So there's our copy of a Porygon Z GX. Porygon Z is actually an evolution of Porygon 2, right? And that came out in Platinum. And you know what? I actually love using Porygon Z. He's a little fragile. There's your code card. Can we get this out? I was contemplating also getting an Alolan Marowak GX box because when I got the box, my card was bodied. Like, it was not in good condition at all. These aren't cards that I grade or anything, but I have a binder. And I like to put cards in there that look cool. I guess this one's okay. This one kind of survived. It felt rough on the edges, but nope, it's good. Look at Porygon Z. So mean. He looks like he wants to have a choice scarf, outspeed things unexpectedly, use his adaptability ability, and break all your hopes and dreams. That's right, Kwikpanik plays the video game. Actually, I know more about the video game than the card game, 100%. So there's our massive card. Actually, I like that. He's like a little angry duck. I'm kind of a big fan of that. Kind of a big fan. Yeah, that makes sense, Kwikpanik. So, yeah, I'll add that to my collection with my Charizard, my Blastoise, my Solgaleo. It's like Necrozma. Ultra Necrozma? Anyway, we got our 4 packs. Let's start with Evolutions, because we've already had luck with this. I don't think we're going to get anything good. Maybe. Who knows? Possibly. Can I get... Okay, this worked last time. I called it. Nope, we're not going to get anything because this pack was upside down. Enjoy your Evolutions code 1, 2, 3. There's no energy. Flip it around, pass it around. We got ourselves a Super Potion, bro. We got Brock's Grid up in here, bro. We got Maintenance. Look at that. Look at this guy. He's like zapping a Pokeball. That makes sense. We got Star U, bro. We got Onyx, 100 HP. We got ourselves a Fairy Energy Voltorb. We got a Tangela. Look at this guy. He's got the coolest boots in the land. Coolest. We got a reverse Doduo, and let me guess, we got nothing, huh? Big whoop, Dodrio. Get out of here, bro. Nobody wants you. I do like that Doduo, though. Let's go to... Let's not even alternate. No, let's alternate. Next up, we got an Espeon with a Deoxys. I hope this code card's not incorrect. I hate spoiling it. Also, Poketubers who cut the tops off of packs. How? Why? You're gonna cut the... I just watched some pack openings. There's your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's electric. Don't you dare say lightning. I was watching some other Poketubers open up packs, and they use scissors. I would definitely slice Mesprit's head off. Easy mode. Just straight up easy mode. Okay. We got ourselves a Mesprit. Are you a common? Uncommon? What? Poor Mesprit. You're a legendary. Woo! Look at that Sableye. I like that. We got ourselves a Lapras. A Numel. Axew. That's actually not very cute. We got ourselves a Finneon. That's an adorable picture, but you're a forgettable Pokemon. Sorry about you. Stunfisk, I hate you. We got a Gibble made out of yarn. We got a reverse Leavanny. And the rare. Woo! We got a Holo Garchomp. That's really good art. I like that art. I was recently making a Pokemon team that I wanted to use on the channel for competitive battles, and I put Garchomp on it. I know he's kind of OP, but like with Tapus everywhere and Ultra Beasts, you don't really see as much Garchomp. Poor guy. Put that off to the side. Let's get into What was that? This. Okay, let's do Lost Thunder next. I already lost track. I need, let's see, there's a full art Lugia in here. There's a Umbreon that would be really cool to get. There's your code card. They flipped this one the wrong way. You already saw it. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. We got water. That's not ice. If you say ice, you're kicked out of the club. All right. We got ourselves a memory energy. We got a Kecleon. Look how cute that is. We got a Lampent. Actually caught a Litwick in Pokemon Go the other day. It's the only one I've seen. Super cute. We got ourselves Pachirisu. That's something I haven't caught in Pokemon Go. Look at this little claymation. Colt and Bunny. If you're listening, if you're watching, they're on my Twitch channel and everything. They think that claymation is not cool. Tell them in the comment section they're wrong. This is the coolest thing to happen since this Poplio, who's drawn by Ken Sugimori, I bet. Wager. Survey says, oh, what? I have to quit YouTube. I was wrong. We got a Spinarak. He's so angry. We got ourselves a Nincada. A Bowie? We got a reverse Hoppip. Also very mad. And the rare is a Beautifly. Wow. This is not ended up so well. But, hey, hold on. We still got one more pack. Isn't that right? Let's get hyper rares. Before we get into this pack, I just want to say thank you so much for all your support on the channel. If you wouldn't mind leaving a like on this video and leaving a comment, that'd be pretty cool. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Open up Pokemon cards. There'll be some Pokemon video game content coming out, especially with Sword and Shield hitting stores. What is that? In a month and a half? 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's fire. That means this pack's gonna be fire. I definitely need you guys to follow me on Twitch as well. I'm uploading content here on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 4 p.m. Central Time and Sundays at 12 p.m. Central Time. And then I'm over on Twitch Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. In the links down below for all that fun stuff. Except for this week that you're seeing this. I'm on vacation, so no Twitch. Sorry. All right, let's get in. We got Doublade. We got Rungaroo. We got a Lurantis. A Carablast. We got a Honedge. Talk about this Pikachu. We got a Pidoof. A Poipole. The reverse is a Meditite doing a little bit of stretching. Ooh. And the rare is... Actually, it's a really cool Lucario, but it's garbage. That's all I've got for today. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Later.